There's a tool that is a very ancient tool. It's been around a long time. And it's still used today. Now, if you're in the trades, you may have used it. But it's a tool that many people don't know about, and I'm going to show you what it is and how it's used coming up next. Hi everybody, I'm Leah of seejanedrill. Now, if this is your first time here, I just want to welcome you. Now, we're a home improvement channel where beginners are welcome too. Now, in the beginning of the video, I talked about an ancient tool that many people don't know about. And well, I'm holding it right here in my hand. And maybe you're thinking, Leah, isn't that a stick? What I will tell you is, yes, it is a stick, but it has a name in the trades. We call it a story pole. And if you're a bricklayer or roofer, and even electricians use story poles. Carpenters use story poles for stairs. Now, I'm going to be using a story pole today because I'm right in the middle of a kitchen remodel. And we're going to be installing cabinets. And it is ideal for planning base cabinets, because you got to create a baseline for your base cabinets, and all floors are not level. And a story pole comes in real handy to make certain that your baseline is right on the money. Okay, so this is my story pole here. Now, what I will tell you is this hash mark here, this represents my base cabinets. And this line right here represents the top of my base cabinet. Now, you use a story pole in combination with a laser level. Now, I want to tell you why it's important, because maybe you're thinking, well, why don't you just use a tape measure? When you're making repeated measurements over and over and over again, if you have a story pole, it makes the process go a lot quicker. Now, when it comes to base cabinets, you would think that you would just take a base cabinet and just stick it on the floor and screw it into the wall. But you can't do it with floors because floors are never level. Now, what you're looking at here is the reason why you need to use a story pole when installing base cabinets. Now, this is a base cabinet and this is a separate base cabinet. Do you see the difference in height? This base cabinet is much higher than this one. Now, if you didn't use a story pole and a level, what you would wind up with is you would have one cabinet sitting in a high spot and another cabinet sitting in a low spot, and then maybe another cabinet in a lower spot, and you would get like stairs. This way, you're ensured when you use a story pole that all your base cabinets are level. All right, now I'm going to turn on my laser level. Got to wait for it to settle down just a little. There we go. Now we're right where we need to be, all right? Now we're going to take our story pole and we're going to move it to different locations where there are going to be base cabinets, all right? And what we're going to be looking for is we're on the hunt for the high spot. And what we'll look for is this line. If the laser line drops below our mark here, we know we've hit a high spot. So let's just move our story pole. We're going to move it right here. So we found a high spot in the floor. Now we have to raise our laser level up to this line. Now what I've done is I've brought the laser level up to meet that line, because this is our high spot in the floor for now. We have to continue to move our story pole around the floor where base cabinets are going to go, because this may not be the highest spot. We still may have to adjust. So let me move it to the corner. So there we are, we're in the corner, and that laser line has dropped again. So we're going to have to bring the laser line up because this corner is a high spot. Okay, now I'm going to continue the process around the floor where base cabinets are going to be installed. And once I find the absolute highest point, then I will strike my baseline for my base cabinets. I want you to check something out. I want you to notice this. I'm going to move this forward, okay? The laser level line is above our reference line there, and that's okay, okay? It's only when this laser line goes below. Going below the line means it's a high point. Now that we've found that high spot and we've got our laser level set, it's time to strike a chalk line. Now we're going to just strike our line here. I've got my level exactly where it needs to be. We're going to snap a chalk line. Get it nice and tight here. There we go. All right. Now that my line is struck, I'm going to turn off the laser level. There we go. So that is our baseline for our cabinets. So with our story pole and a laser level, we were able to establish that baseline for our base cabinets. And I got to tell you this, you know, these story poles, they have a lot of different applications. I'm sure you could figure out a way to use a story pole on your home project. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.